Alright, box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode with Joe at the card shop. We're at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on Osborne and 24th Street in Phoenix, Arizona. Check them out on Facebook. Give them a call if you have any questions about grading for PSA 10 submission, certifying autographs, non-sports, Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, Dragon Ball, any of that stuff. Give them a call, stop in and see them. You never know what's going to come through the door. Alright, we did some football, we just did some baseball, and now we're going to do some basketball. So again, these are all from our series of the dollar store packs. Joe got a good deal on these, he gave us a good deal, and we're breaking them open to see what these dollar store packs might be all about. I'm still kind of skeptical. I know what the idea behind dollar store packs are. It's for, obviously people who can't afford an entire box, but I think for our purposes, we'll see how we do here, but we'll probably just stick with full boxes from here on out. Maybe. We'll see. Alright. NBA. Here we go. Denzel Valentine. I haven't heard of him, but I think I remember this guy from college. Anyway, that's his rookie card. And these are... What is this? This was 16-17 complete. We'll put a link below if you're interested in buying cards. You can use our link and go straight there. It'll help us out. And then next we'll do the Donruss 17-18. We'll do the NBA Hoops 16-17. And Donruss 15-16. So we got a little mix going on here. This is just what the guy brought in from his storage locker. Yeah. I don't know what this gray card is all about. Maybe it's just a different variation. Not sure. Junk packs. Alright, NBA Hoops 16-17. I see Dwayne Wade on the back for the Bulls. I didn't know Dwayne Wade went to the Bulls. Manu Ginobili. He'll probably make the Hall of Fame. He played long enough. He's bald enough. Look at him. Almost lost the camera. Wow. Okay, so here's an example of, I opened this pack and you can already see that the corner's messed up. So in our last video, the guy came in and was saying how he's got a perfect Emmitt Smith rookie, and I said, well, just because you opened it from a pack and put it in a box doesn't mean that it's perfect. And he didn't want to hear it, but sometimes that's how it goes. This one came right out of a pack and it's got a dinged up corner, but I do not remember Dwayne Wade playing for the Bulls. Looks like he played in 2017, so pretty much by 2017 I was only watching the playoffs, and pretty much just LeBron and Steph Curry. So for me, the last 2 years have been the best basketball since Michael Jordan, as far as I'm concerned. I think a lot of people hate it, but I love it. Brandon Jennings. Never heard of him. Maybe we'll give him to Jennings, since his last name is Jennings. We'll set him off to the side. Junk. Tyler Ulis, rookie card. Phoenix. I should know who he is, but Phoenix has been pretty crappy, and so they haven't made the playoffs. And I don't really know anybody except Booker. I think is the only person that I know that's still there. There's James Harden. I've heard of him. Willie Stein. No idea. Junk.
Yeah.
Pascal Sakam. Never heard of him. Alright, this is our last pack of 16-17 NBA Hoops. 5 cards per pack from the dollar store.
They actually sell on eBay for about $3.
Tyreek Evans, Paul George, I heard of him. Mo Williams, I've heard of him just because of LeBron. Junk. Alright, now we've got the 17-18 Donruss Panini basketball, 5 cards per pack. Still here?
Yeah, no, the other place, the person that is supposed to grab them, they're not there, so I just figure I'll just flip them over here. But no, my card's in storage right now. So pull that shit out.
There's Blake Griffin. Here, so check this out. I just opened this pack. This is how it goes sometimes. Look at that corner. You see what I mean?
Oh, so yeah, that dented corner.
That's just how it goes sometimes.
All my corners are like this.
You said, yeah, and if you checked them.
Yeah, no, I checked. They don't have that because I know that's a bad right there.
Right.
That's no good.
And then check the centering.
Yeah.
If
make
it's
sure it's a little crack.
Top to bottom, left to right, it just needs to be perfect. But
yeah, I see you got hell lights all over that shit to make sure you know.
Yeah, we do. We got the box breakers on YouTube. We just break boxes and rip packs, and we're doing a live episode right now.
Oh, yeah, doing a live episode.
Yep,
right now?
yep.
Oh, yeah.
It won't be up for a little while, but yeah.
Oh, okay.
The box breakers.
Box breakers?
The box breakers.
I might have to pick that out today. It's gonna be up today, though, right?
It won't be up. We're like we got like a month backlog of videos.
So you guys gotta wait for a minute then, huh?
Yep. But it'll be up. Eventually it'll be up. But we put out videos every day.
What other shit you guys got on there?
We just rip, see all the stuff. Like we got, not every year yet, but we rip baseball, football, basketball. Pretty soon we're gonna do a box of each one of these non-sports. We're gonna do one of Magic, one Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon.
See, I do got a set of the original when it first came out, Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
So those are probably worth something.
Yeah, I know those are worth something because my brother told me, he goes, these motherfuckers you don't sell. He's like, those other Pokemon.
Well, you can sell them, just make sure you get the right amount.
Yeah, that's what I said. Because like I said, I'm just handing out shit left and right, whatever, you know.
Well, if you bring that card in, the Emmett that you said you couldn't find, I'll try to help you find it on eBay.
Yeah,
and then if it's not on eBay, we can go to the PSA, that company that I was saying certifies them. They have a registry, and it shows you every one that's ever been certified, what the population of them are, how many of those exist, and if they've ever been sold, what they sold for. It's a really good resource for finding out prices.
I wasn't able to find it, and I looked everywhere and I could not find that shit.
There's only been one card that I haven't been able to find.
Which one?
It was a Mario Lemieux Pro set. Like, I don't know, it was just some card that we had at home, and like I tried to look it up and I just couldn't find it. I couldn't find it anywhere. Oh, there's another Ginobili. Old bald head Ginobili. Alright. Now we're on Donruss 2015-16 basketball. We'll put a link below so you can find packs if you want to rip your own packs. Let's see what's in here. These are all dollar store cards. Tim Hardaway Jr. I've heard of his dad. Carmelo Anthony. I've just never been a fan of him. He's always seems kind of like a little bit. He's like chubby and soft, I feel like. He just never did anything. He never did anything for Denver or anywhere else that I've ever, even the Olympic team. He was just, every time he would go in, I'd be like, no.
I don't know how he got into the Olympic team. They just figured we'll pick up a bunch of all-stars and that shit is so good.
There's LeBron. There's our first LeBron card.
Rookie?
No. No, I'm opening 2015 right now. I bought his rookie.
That shit's gonna be some money in some time.
Depends on the card, but yeah. But I think I bought I don't know if I got a 10, a PSA 10, but that's pretty much all I buy on eBay. Already graded. I'll send my own cards in through Joe, but most times I just go on eBay and I can buy it
Oh yeah.
for cheaper than it cost me to buy the loose card, send it in, and it might not even get a 10.
Yeah.
So they've already done all the work. You could just buy it.
You just buy the thing already at the 10.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Sure shit. Can't go wrong with that either.
Well, no. Sure thing it's great. Yeah. No.
There's LeBron.
He doesn't sound like that. Yeah, I know.
Awesome. We like LeBron.
I think if I get enough shots.
All right, last pack of NBA. And then after that, we're going to tackle these football.
Oh yeah. My mind.
That's how it should be. That's how my business is. That's how I think all the time. Only thing outside the box. You have to. You got it.
Here's Jeremy Lin. I don't know what happened to Jeremy Lin. He was hot for a little while, and then
15 games. He was a bust too.
and then I don't know what. It looks like he plays for the Hornets maybe in this year. Who knows? I don't even know if he might be retired. I have no idea.
You know what it's about. So you ever see commercials kind of like Marvel?
Oh, here's the rookie. This is kind of a cool card.
I might have a picture of this one. Show you pictures. And I get the final product. The final product looks like brand new. And it just, I didn't think we could.
And DeMarcus Cousins.
Just right here.
So Jeremy Lin. I would say LeBron. I think LeBron, Carmelo, Manu Ginobili. Anyway, that's our best card right there. Alright, next we're going to do Donruss football. So check that out. Go back and look at some of the other videos. If you haven't seen those, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll be right back with another live episode from Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Joe from the Card Shop. Check him out on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you soon.